Okay, today is 7/12/2019. As you can see, this is my first build on what I call a Faraday pup tent, constructed out of wood, which I had to build two, you could figure, doors, and it would have been easier to buy two door frames, but I wanted to construct this a certain way and make improvements as necessary. You see that I have it on a rug that's I believe an 6x8 rug. The base is approximately 8 feet. Actually, the rug must be a little shorter, but that's okay. So I'm able to turn this around for the frequency that I am trying to block. Now, first let's look at the frequency. Okay, it's staying at a steady 0.10 and peaking at 0.30 for the pulses. Now the closer I get to it, the more it will stay into the amber range at times. Now let's put this in the static free room, and you can see it significantly went down, even into the green at times. So we're at 0.05 and then down to 0.02 volts per meter, and this is with the ends being open. Okay, so there's the proof right there that this does work. And you can see I have an air mattress here. No spring coils inside, just air, which can easily fit in here. I made this half nickel copper mesh and half 100% copper mesh, so it's very breathable.